People of the Purple Butterfly here, otherwise known as People of Seven on Twitter and YouTube, people elsewhere on the internet. My soaps look at purplebutterfly-soaps.myshopify.com, my blog, purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. And today, I am at my daughter's house, and I decided to mop her floor, and she has one of those wet jets, and the solution in there leaves the floor sticky. I don't like sticky. So I'm going to make a new solution, dump out this old stuff, and take you with me and show you what I did. Okay, the first thing you're going to need, well, first thing I did actually was I stuck her pads that came with the wet jet into the washer, so that way I'm not redepositing this sticky residue that was in the solution onto her floors. And then I'm going to show you the ingredients and tell you how to use it and explain what all the ingredients is. Okay, the first ingredient is Dawn dishwashing liquid or any degreasing dishwashing liquid. Don't get, something like Dove, which is made for moisturizing your hand because that leaves a slippery residue on the, solution instead of degreasing because you want the degreasing effect. The second ingredient is baking soda. Baking soda helps the floor dry faster and it gives grip. It removes the odors and helps with removing stains. And then there's vinegar, which cuts the grease as well. It removes the sticky and the soapiness of the dish soap. So what you end up with is a clean floor that has no sticky. When you walk with, I wear flip flops. When I walk with flip flops after mopping with the solution that came with it, the floor gets, it's literally gripping my shoes because it's sticky. When I use my solution, you could walk all day and nothing sticks. So, yeah. So what you want to do, the standard solution is you take 2 quarts of hot water, a decent sized squirt of dish soap, pour some baking soda in there, and then top it off with some vinegar. Do this over the sink because vinegar does react with baking soda and it might bubble out. It's totally harmless to humans. It doesn't, burn or anything. It's a tingling sensation. In fact, you could use it for bath bombs and stuff. But yeah, that, solution, tap it up real good, put it in the wet jet and mop your floors. The solution that the wet jet comes with, you know, you use it, you mop the floor, and then according to the directions, you go behind it and rinse. That makes no sense. Why have a wet jet so you can mop the floors quickly if you have to take a regular mop and go behind it with plain water to rinse the floors? My solution requires no rinsing. It's no stickiness. It just works. I learned it from my mom years ago. That's how we literally mopped our floors, except for we were using regular mops. So we're just using the dish jet. We're going to use vinegar, baking soda, Dawn dishwashing liquid, hot water. Now, the standard measure makes a big batch of it, so put it in several different containers and you can just refill this, or you can just eyeball it in the wet jet container and make a smaller batch. And then you mop your floors like you would normally would without having to rinse. See, I'm showing you my shoes. There's no sticking with these shoes when I'm using my solution. But the stuff that came with the wet jet and most of these products out here that's supposed to be for mopping the floor and then tell you to rinse, I mean, what's the logic of that? So give it a try and see how you like and thank me later. Remember, it is a quarter cup of baking soda, quarter cup of vinegar, a good sized squirt of degreasing dish